A warm and welcoming hello to all of you tuning in. We're about to embark on an extraordinary journey, a journey that explores the living, breathing entity we call home, Earth. This planet of ours, with its vibrant, complex environment, has a rich tapestry of history that's deeply interconnected with our own existence. Today, we'll delve into the past, uncovering how our Earth has evolved and flourished over billions of years. From the birth of this magnificent planet to the evolution of life, we'll discover what makes Earth so special and unique in the vast cosmos. But before we launch into this adventure, we have a small request. If you find our content engaging and informative, do consider subscribing and sharing the video. Your support helps us bring more such exciting content your way. So, are you ready for this exploration? Fasten your seatbelts as we journey through the fascinating history of our home planet Earth. The story of our Earth begins around 4.54 billion years ago. Imagine a fiery molten mass spinning in the vast expanse of space. This was our planet in its infancy, a celestial body born from the dust and gas left over after the formation of the Sun. The early Earth was a hostile place, bombarded by asteroids and comets, but within this chaos, the foundations of life were being laid. Now, let's consider our moon, a faithful companion to Earth. Have you ever wondered how it came to be? Well, the prevailing theory is that about 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized body collided with the young Earth. This colossal impact sent a vast amount of debris into space, which eventually coalesced to form the moon. This event, known as the Theia impact, was a pivotal moment in Earth's early history. But what about our beautiful blue oceans and the air we breathe? Where did they come from? The answer lies in the heart of our planet. The Earth's interior was and still is incredibly hot. This heat drove volcanic activity on a massive scale, which released gases trapped within the Earth's interior, a process called outgassing. Over time, these gases formed the Earth's early atmosphere. Water vapor was one of the main gases released during outgassing. As the Earth cooled, this vapor condensed to form clouds, and eventually it rained. This rainwater filled the basins on the Earth's surface, creating the oceans. Imagine the first rain on Earth, a downpour that lasted millions of years, filling the barren land with water, the lifeblood of our planet. So, there you have it, a fiery birth, a colossal collision, and the first rain. The Earth had taken shape, complete with a moon, oceans, and an atmosphere. With these dramatic events, the stage was set for the next chapter in Earth's history. Life on Earth took root within the first billion years of its formation. The story of our planet is a compelling tale of transformation and resilience, beginning with the simplest of life forms and evolving into a dazzling array of biodiversity. In the primordial soup of early Earth, life began as single-celled organisms. These microscopic pioneers, called prokaryotes, were the first to harness the power of the sun, a process we know as photosynthesis. This remarkable ability not only sustained these tiny life forms, but also began to alter the planet's atmosphere, increasing the level of oxygen. A crucial milestone in Earth's biography, setting the stage for more complex life forms to develop. Fast forward a few 100 million years, and the first multicellular organisms made their debut. These were the first plants, the ancestors of the lush greenery that carpets our world today. Their proliferation further oxygenated the atmosphere and laid the groundwork for the evolution of animals. From here, life on Earth exploded in diversity and complexity. Fish swam in the oceans, plants colonized the land, and animals evolved to walk on four legs. The first insects buzzed in the air, and the first seeds were sown, heralding the age of flowering plants. And then, around 300,000 years ago, a new species emerged, Homo sapiens, or as we call ourselves, humans. We began to shape the world around us, harnessing fire, crafting tools, and building societies. We spread across every continent, learned to cultivate the land, and build civilizations. But our story is just a blink in the grand timeline of life on Earth. Our planet's environment, so uniquely suited to support life, has been the silent partner in this evolutionary dance. From the oxygen-rich atmosphere to the abundant water, Earth's environment has provided the stage upon which life's drama has played out. While life flourished on Earth, the planet itself continued to change and evolve. Our Earth is a dynamic entity, ever-changing and evolving. Its face is constantly being reshaped by the shifting tectonic plates beneath its crust. These moving plates, like colossal puzzle pieces, collide and separate, forming the stunning mountain ranges, deep oceans, and sprawling continents that define our planet's unique topography. Meanwhile, volcanoes, nature's fiery architects, spew out molten rock from deep within the Earth, creating new land and altering existing landscapes. And then there are earthquakes, the Earth's rumbling reminders of the ceaseless activity happening beneath our feet. But the changes aren't just geological. Our planet's climate has been transforming as well, but at an alarmingly faster pace in recent times. The greenhouse effect, a natural process that maintains Earth's average temperature, has been intensified by human activities. The burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and the release of vast amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere are causing the Earth to warm at an unprecedented rate. This global warming is leading to climate change, a long-term alteration in Earth's weather patterns. The consequences are dire: rising sea levels, more intense heat waves and storms, and devastating impacts on wildlife and their habitats. Furthermore, human activities are not just changing the climate. We're altering the very fabric of our natural world. We're cutting down forests, polluting our oceans, and driving countless species to extinction. Our actions are leaving an indelible mark on the Earth, threatening the delicate balance that supports life on our planet. Yet, amidst these challenges, there are also opportunities for change. Advances in technology, like the Environmental Mapping and Analysis Program satellite, provide us with invaluable data to study, monitor, and manage our environment. With this knowledge, we can make more informed decisions, develop sustainable practices, and work towards reversing the damage we've caused. As stewards of this planet, it is our responsibility to understand and protect our environment. Our Earth may be ever-changing, but it is up to us to ensure that these changes lead to a sustainable future, not a desolate one. What makes Earth unique among the multitude of celestial bodies? When we gaze into the cosmos, we find a host of celestial bodies, each with its own set of characteristics, yet none compared to the vibrant complexity and life-sustaining features of Earth. Our planet is a water world, with over 70% of its surface covered by oceans. This is a stark contrast to our planetary neighbors, like Mars, where water exists primarily as ice, or Venus, where a runaway greenhouse effect makes any form of life as we know it impossible. Moreover, Earth's atmosphere, mainly composed of nitrogen and oxygen, with water vapor forming clouds, is a unique mix that supports a multitude of life forms. This is a striking difference from the thin carbon dioxide-filled atmosphere of Mars or the dense, crushing atmosphere of Venus. The Earth's crust, with its moving tectonic plates, creates a dynamic landscape of mountains, volcanoes, and earthquakes, unlike the static landscapes of other planets. Earth also boasts a magnetosphere, generated by its liquid outer core that shields us from harmful solar radiation. In addition, Earth's unique tilt on its axis causes the changing seasons, a feature that aids in the diversity of life and ecosystems. No other planet in our solar system exhibits such a wide range of climatic conditions and biodiversity. Earth, our home, is truly a unique and precious jewel in the cosmos.